The lines of longitude. Students, in our previous topic we have learnt about the lines of latitude. Now we are going to study about the lines of longitude, its features and important lines of longitude. Let's first understand about the lines of longitude. Students, do you know what are the lines of longitude? The lines of longitude are imaginary lines that extend across the surface of the globe in a north to south direction. They are vertical lines. The lines of longitude are also called as meridians. The 0-degree longitude is known as the prime meridian. Students, you have learned about lines of longitude. Let us know the features of longitude. Look at the picture on page number 4. Lines of longitude marks the distance of a place in an east-west direction of the prime meridian. These longitudes are numbered from the prime meridian 0 degree. They increase in value as they move from east to west till they meet at the 180 degree longitude, which lies opposite to the prime meridian, that is called as international dateline. The meridians to the east of the prime meridian are numbered degree east, and the meridians to the west of the prime meridian are numbered degree west. These meridians are equal in length and form semicircles. Semicircle means half circle that extends from the North Pole to the South Pole. Unlike parallels, the distance between any two meridians is not equal. These meridians are spaced furthest apart at the equator and come closer together as they approach the poles, and they finally meet at a point at the poles. There are total 360 meridians, that is 180 lies to the east of the prime meridian and 180 lies to the west of the prime meridian. When the 180 degree east and west meridian join together to form a meridian, the prime meridian and the 180 degree longitude together divides the earth into two hemispheres, that is eastern hemisphere and western hemisphere. Students, let us learn about other important line of longitude apart from the prime meridian. As you see the picture in your reader, page number 5, in the year 1884, the longitude which is passing through the town of Greenwich in the United Kingdom is called prime meridian or 0 degree longitude, or it is also called as Greenwich meridian. So the local time means time at a particular place or area at the Greenwich is called the Greenwich Mean Time, that is GMT. This Greenwich Mean Time is used to calculate the time at all other places on the earth. With the help of this Greenwich Mean Time, we can also calculate the longitude of a place. Now let's talk about international dateline. As we already learned in the features of longitude, that 180 degree longitude is called the international dateline. Now my question is, why this 180 degrees longitude was taken as the international dateline? The 180 degree longitude was taken as the international dateline because this line marks the place where calendar date changes from one date to the another date. This international dateline also ensures that all the parts of the country lying across the 180 degree longitude can maintain same date and time. Students, if you look at the picture on page number 5 in your textbook, you can observe that the international dateline changes at so many places from its origin. The international dateline is not a straight line. It is a zigzag over the sea to avoid cutting across countries. So, to it is very important for the international date line not to pass the land. So students, the biggest question here is how the date changes. Here you need to remember that this international date line is just a reference line. As I said you earlier, when we cross this international date line, day and date changes. For example, if it is October 21st to the west of the international date line, then it will be October 22nd to the east of the international date line. Thus, the international date line is the only reference line where the whole world calendar date changes. By this, we came to know lines of longitude.